Welcome, in front of me I have Apple TV 4K, and today I'll show you how you can change the position of shortcuts that we have here, the podcasts, movies, YouTube and App Store, for example. So you have to grab your remote control and click and hold the middle button. Let's make it. And right now you can simply change YouTube position by using touch control. As you can see, it's very easy. And if you want to confirm and if you want to get it right here, just click OK another time. And when you change another one, for example, maybe the settings, do the same, click and hold. And when it's selected and it's shaking, you can just move it like YouTube app and click OK if you want to confirm. As you can see, it's very simple. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.